Hey there, sunshine. So today we're going to be doing the February Boxycharm unboxing. I freaking love Boxycharm with such the deepest passion, literally the best subscription box in the entire world when it comes to beauty. Boxycharm is $21 every month. You get 4 to 5 full-size samples, and basically from every Boxycharm that I've received, it's always been luxury items. It's always been full-size luxury products. The only affordable brand that I've received from Boxycharm has been ColourPop, and over my relationship with Boxycharm, I've received 2 ColourPop lippies. I love Boxycharm. I literally, I could go through my whole makeup routine, and there's at least 3 products in there that I use every day from what I've received from Boxycharm. Even just out, right now I have my Cover FX setting spray. I got this in Boxycharm. My Becca highlighter I got in Boxycharm. I was wearing a lipstick that I got in Boxycharm. They have allowed me to expand my makeup collection to extreme measures. I'm able to experiment with so much stuff. Experiment with brands that I've never heard of too, which I think is really cool. I would highly recommend Boxycharm, and you will see why in this unboxing. So enough with the chit chat, let's get into it. So this one's theme, ooh, there's 2 cards in here, is Galaxy Glow. Oh my god, that is kind of like neon. This card is really cool looking. Look at that. That is really cool looking. And then let's see what the other card says. Where'd the other card go? Okay. Ooh, Cover FX. Ooh, extra you. 20% off your next purchase on coverfx.com. I think this is really cool. I get it's not every single month I get coupons, but there have been, in the past, they've done coupons with Tarte, and I think they did coupons with Pure Cosmetics. So those big brands that a lot of people know, that Sephora and or Ulta carry, I often get coupons for. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is small. This is interesting. A lot of Boxycharm's items are usually pretty big feeling. What? Oh my god, look at this glitter. It's a glitter. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Maybe Bella Pierre Cosmetics? I don't know. Can you guys give me the lingo on this? I cannot speak foreign languages. I only know English. And I was never really taught Latin or anything to translate that. Oh my god, this is a gorgeous purple glitter. Oh, I can't wait to play with it. Okay. Hashtag freaking out. This is so exciting that I got a glitter. I've never seen anything like this in a subscription box, but look how gorgeous that glitter is, guys. That is so pretty. I can't wait to play with that. I hope it's catching on camera, the gorgeousness of this glitter. I only have 1 nail done. You guys see that? I only have 1 nail done. Because I got this in the mail while I was doing my nails. And I was just so excited to open this up that I stopped after 1 nail. It's this lavender purple color. I think this would be so ready to do smoky eye with. Okay, next thing that I'm pulling out is from Cover FX. I'm so excited to see what this is. So the side says, well, this says Shimmer Veil is what this says. The box says right here. And I'm sorry if my hands look a little icky. I have eczema and I'm waiting for it to heal up. But this says a pearlescent cream perfect for eyelids but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. Ooh, so excited to open this up. What? Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Is this like lip gloss? What? Okay. This is in shade Amethyst. All it says is Shimmering Veil. Is this supposed to be oh. That's so interesting. Okay, swatch on the back of the hand. That is so pretty. This is okay. I always say Boxycharm is really great for if you're just your everyday woman, you're not looking for super extravagant makeup that's bold and really colorful. You know, if you're looking for makeup, if you're looking to test out different makeup and different makeup brands, but you're looking to stay in the more natural selection, I definitely think Boxycharm is really, really great for that. They've sent me nothing but natural looking lipsticks and highlighters and all that stuff. But I definitely do feel like this is a little out there. It's a little different. But with that being said, it totally fits in with this month's theme, which is Galaxy Glow. This is definitely very alien-like. Like, look how pretty that is. Oh, my camera isn't even doing it justice. I mean, my lips kind of look bad because I have lipstick like half on. So here we go with that. But I mean, like, that is so pretty. And it just looks so pretty in the tube. Gorgeous. This is so, so pretty. So excited about that. Okay, Boxycharm. Okay. And again, luxury brand. Okay, next thing that I'm pulling out is a pencil. Okay. So Vintage by Jessica Lieben Skinned Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. The packaging for the pencil is kind of very simple. I would expect more protective gear on this because like literally like that is all that's keeping that sanitary. But besides that, I definitely think Vintage is a good name for this pencil. Really pretty. Very simple. I mean, let's see. That is a very pigmented pencil. Very easy to apply. I don't have to sit in there and dig in, but I have a really, like, I want my eyeliners to not melt when I wear them on my waterline, and I don't think this is, yeah, this isn't smear proof. It's okay. I think it'd be a great base for a black smoky eye if you're doing it, if you're into that, or if you have black hair or darker hair and you want to fill in your eyebrows, great. I do not think I will be using this for eyeliner, but I will totally definitely find another use for it. And simply because it's smeared. Not that big of a deal. It's still really nice to get a black eyeliner. Okay, the next thing that I received feels kind of big. Oh my gosh, it's 3 makeup brushes. For a second I thought this was Wet n Wild, but it's not. It's Crown. Free pack brush trio. I'm always so excited to get brushes in my freaking box. I love adding to my brush collection, especially since I canceled my subscription with Morphe Me. So this is just a, feels lightweight. It feels like it's gonna like fall apart at any minute. So it's not very heavy feeling. Feels like a cheaper brush, as a lot of people say, but I don't hate on any brush. It was just surprisingly lightweight feeling, which I was not prepared for. And it definitely reminds me a lot of Wet n Wild brushes. But this is just a powder brush. You can also use for a blush brush, a contour brush, and then a flat shader packing brush. A flat packing brush. I don't know why I said shader. But here is the trio. Can you guys see what I mean? Like Wet n Wild's brushes with the pink tips and the white, but they all say Crown on them. So that's really nice. They do feel soft. The face powder definitely feels very, very soft. I mean, I'm just really excited to receive more brushes. I love adding brushes, and $21. You can't complain. I'm not complaining whatsoever. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4 items. That leaves one more item, and this is... What? Okay. What? Whoa. 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 I can never get rid of this. Whoa. Yo, guys. Okay, holographic highlighter collection. I can't get over this packaging. Boy, what? Oh my gosh. How do you guys, man, how does Boxycharm manage to do this every month? That is so, I mean, this is like more hollow, but honestly so impressed. But this is still hollow. This is, I'm just excited about the packaging. We haven't even opened it up yet. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. So now for the big reveal. What? Girl, whoa. 6 highlighting shades. And this kind of reminds me of Anastasia Beverly Hills a little bit, Moonchild. Does anybody else get that vibe from this palette at all? This is from Naked Cosmetics, in case you didn't see. But I mean, look how gorgeous this is. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna get to swatching. But here's what the packaging, I mean, the palettes look like. The pans look like. Definitely, ooh, sorry guys, definitely very galaxy, alien-like, alien-esque, outer spacey, with all the different colors. But I mean, gorgeous. So the first shade I'm going to dip in here with is, none of them have names, so the first one is just going to be this pink. Ooh. You know what? Maybe I need to go in more. I mean, it's not picking up on camera. It's definitely very reflective. It's not super reflective. My lips look bruised because of the mix of the red and the purple. It's not picking up on camera. Very, very pretty pink. I hope that picks up. It's a light baby pink. It reminds me of NYX's Duochrome Snow Rose highlighter. This is definitely very, very gorgeous. The next one we're going to dip into is this purple shade right here. I love wearing purple highlighter, and in all honesty, I have not been back to Ulta since I used up all of my purple highlighter. I used the NYX Lavender Steel. That's been my all-time favorite highlighter. And this, gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's not picking up that it's not, okay, the camera isn't picking up that it's super reflective. It's not super reflective. The powders are kind of chalky. I don't know if you guys can see. They're pretty. They're definitely very pretty. I'm very excited to get into this one. This one looks like it's going to be duochrome. So let's go ahead and get into that one. Ooh, guys. Ooh, okay, you know what? Is it duochrome? Yeah, it's duochrome. Oh my god, it's orange and blue. I wish my camera was picking this up better, but it's orange and blue. Like orange, blue. Okay. So far, I'm not like horrendously upset about these. I'm very excited about this. This is probably my favorite one of the top row. I don't know. It's between these two. Okay, next, green, because who doesn't want to wear green highlighter? Okay. Very, very pretty. I should stick with consistent swatching. Girl, what? Girl, what? Oh, yes, please. Thank you. That is so pretty. I would wear that all the time. I cannot wait to freaking play with this palette. I'm wearing gold right now, and I feel like basic just because I'm wearing gold. Next one we have is this gorgeous blue. Oh my god. This reminds me of Easter a little bit, just the color trio. Reminds me of Easter on the bottom row, but these are I feel like these are a lot more pigmented. And a little bit more reflective than the top row. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this really pretty yellow. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. It definitely, again, totally like alien-like, but I mean, it's gorgeous. You can totally use these as eyeshadows or toppers for your lip color, your lip gloss. Oh, I'm very happy with this. I just hope it doesn't run out because it's so pretty. So pretty. Very, very happy with that. Okay. Okay. So let me grab the card and we can read together. So the Naked Cosmetics, this palette right here, was $39.99 with 6 stunning holographic shades. This highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. I'm very happy with this. I wasn't impressed with the first pink shade, but everything else, very, very happy with. The next one we have is the Cover FX Shimmering Veil at $28. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. I have to say, it has stayed on my hand throughout this entire adventure, and it's still kind of on my lips. I wouldn't say it's nearly as pigmented as this, but it doesn't show as well on my lips as it does on my hand. But I mean, on my hand, it's really gorgeous. $28 for that. The next we have is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. This is the product I was least disappointed in, the most disappointed in. $21. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, which I would agree with. Creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color, the creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. Okay, so it's really not meant to be, or at least from what I understand from Boxycharm's description, is it's not really meant to be used on the waterline, but it's more meant to be used on top of the lid. It did go on very easily, and it was pretty pigmented. So, I mean, I wouldn't pay $21 for an eye pencil, but I would pay $21 for a box with 5 different items in there. And it's a brand that I've never heard of, which is amazing. Okay, then the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, the cosmetic glitter, $15. These ultra fine, yeah, I would say this is ultra fine. Loose cosmetic face and body glitter is fun, versatile, and extremely brilliant. Enhance your look with subtle touches of glitter or go all out with a dynamic and intense glitter effects. Really, really cool with that. And then last but not least, we have the Trio brush set from Crown Pro. I'm trying to reach the other brush. It keeps running away from me. So this retails for $29.99. Use this 3-piece Pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So in total, I don't know. As always, I leave it in the video. I'll have the number up in the video, but that was a lot. And I'm very impressed with this box. So thank you to Boxycharm for killing February. I would love to hear what you guys think of this box down in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.